The MK party wars seems like they are not going to finish anytime soon, because the members of the MK party are now fighting for positions. Things are not looking good there in that party, because it is reported that now members of the MK party are threatening to kill each other because of our position. And it is said also that others are running away to save their own lives, and others also are resigning. MK Party Deputy President of the Youth League, Emily Mira, resigns her position and also terminates her MK Party membership with immediate effect. She sent a letter to the president and national leadership of the Youth League saying that I want nothing to do with the MK Party anymore. Welcome to Newsaluchi, or welcome to another epic episode. I'm your host, Usalo Gazuma Umsholozi, and I say you are welcome. I will need to just date you back so that you understand where did these problems start from. The MK Party members are now scared for their lives. Seems like there are members who want to kill other members for their position. We'll talk about that, and with what I call the original plan of Jacob Zuma, where all things started here.
Uyabona sekukhona amahemihemi ukuthi ukhona abantu abaku-ANC umuntu sefuna ukuwela nesikhundla sakhe no. i-ANC over the period njengoba kade ngikhuluma ngendaba yemali i-corrupte abantu. Asifuni leyo corruption izela. Ifuna ukugcizelela nge-block offshore ucomparate. No. Ngeke sivume. Uyabona into ekungisha yonke encane. Uthi member ye-branch in good standing. Ususwa lapho ku-president efanele ngento okuthiwa ihlala le headquarters ukulima ngoba kufuneka usibanibani umuntu ongabhekiwe abantu. Uyabona into kumayenzeka kuthiwa kufuneka ukuthi kuyinqande isaqala. Asifuni kuba ne-organization ezoba corrupt. No. Uyabona njengoba sithi sifuna ukubuyisa isithunzi samakhosi. Sifuna ukubuyisa isithunzi sabaholi. Asifuni into ezositaka. Imina engithe okwamanje asikhethi structure lezi ejwayelekile. Sizoba ne-structure ezikhona kwesikhashana. Ngoba sifuna uma sesifika lapho sesakha lo mbutho, sakha umbutho ophilayo loswaziyo. Hayi lo manje labantu abadubulanayo khona bebangikhulu. Ngeke sivumele lokho. Maningi ama-comrade asefile okunye ejawu ukuthi aphile isikhundla kulalele i-comrade. Bekufuna nje ukugcizelela lokhu ukuthi asikwenzi lokhu ngokudlala. Into esiyifunayo manje ukuthi sibe nabavoti abazovota nathi sithole i-2/3 majority silungise lelizwe.
The truth needs to be told that the ANC people saw that the MK party was rising to power, and especially in KZN, and getting majority of the votes, and it became a target, especially from the comrades who were the members of the ANC, to jump the boat and go where power has shifted, especially in KZN. Zuma says that there are reports that he has received that the ANC comrades wants to cross over to the MK party and hold the same position. So you can tell that this thing started long ago. And you know what they did? they just didn't pay any attention to it, and now it is backfiring because all the grievances, all the MK party members that are complaining, they are saying the ex-ANC comrades, they are pointing fingers, citing that the ANC has corrupted a lot of people and they don't want members to come with their corruption tendencies. But it feels like already it has started in the MK party, because in the ANC there were political killings, and now the members of Umkhonto weSizwe are citing, are crying, and they're saying that they are running away. Some of them don't even sleep to their homes because they are now getting threats of getting killed. Now they are fighting for positions. Let's start here.
Comrade Minizolo ngisho ngashisebenzile. Ngisho ngashisebenzile ngada namhlanje uma ngizofika yini endlini ekhaya. Lo muntu wahamba nje abantu outside iwood futhi babathenga utshwala babeka nama 40 street kuma video ukuze namaphatha kuma party agent. Sahleka uANC sihleka yonke ama party because la vele into ekhona nabantu abamfakile lo muntu naye abafuna ukuthi awini, but indirectly so bafuna ukuthi phakame ikhansela leANC elingathi lizama ukuba strong kulelo wodi, hayi ukuthi naye lo bemfakile bafuna ukuthi awini. Comrade semajuba konakele nje i-leadership ekulala umkhonto yonke isebenzisana neANC, i-reporter trade ku-ANC bavumelana babreacha umthetho wama-guide othi makuyiwa kumhlangano wama-VCs noma waseke kumhlangano wama-communities uverifya kanjani, uverifya ukuthi usebenzise i-voters roll. Bona bavumelana kwi-leadership meeting ukuthi abayisebenzisi. The reason why besho kanjalo is because babefuna uku-implementa into yabo leyo ukuthi bebhasa abantu la bekufike umangalo ukuthi ama-comrades amaningi njengamanje angabo number 2 ama-comrades ashayekile, ama-comrades ebesikade sinayo emkhontweni from 2023 ewodini lami ward 17 bafaka umuntu owayekade engenele ukhetho nge-Royal Progress previous elections wadliwa, manje bamlanda seyongena ku-EFF bambuyisa ngakaze asifane ngisho isikipha somkhonto bamlanda i-deploy angicindezela because emajuba if uyakhuluma ipolitiki uyabafuza uba i-threat kubo, so kumele bedile ngawo. Baningi abadilile-ke nathi mina ewadini bafike balanda abantu from outside ivote ilona i-vote lethu. Masibuza thina question ukuthi asisebenziseni i-voters roll so lethi kuzongena amalungu omphakathi avotayo la e-17 sizokwazi ukuthi kube yithi esizovotela. Azange beyifune lento bathiwa yikho even kuma-guidelines saxakeka ukuthi kanjani. I-deploy lathi malifika limbalele iy'namba zakhe wathola 140 babalela lo munye ucomrade wethu bawathola 32 beza kimi ngathola 144 wabona ukuthi useshayekile lo muntu oze nge-interest yakhe waba nguye ucollapse meeting azange wadeclare ama-results agcina sibala nje mabesabala kanje nalo siswaye kade mbalela washo ukuthi hayi uTK uthole 144 lo uthole 140 lo uthole 132 kumphakathi ngokuthi sihlushwa ile abathi eNewcastle i-load reduction fees lo hambayo u5 kuye ngona bathi umphathayi sesimbonile ukuthi ubani owinile, and then emva lokho bathi siyabonga silindele ukuthi adeclare official ama-meeting kwaba nguye udeploy obaleka le meeting. Kodwa ngathi sengizwa ngakusasa ngoba kwakwi-birthday yakhe ebekade ka-candidate bemenzela iphathi kubraywa bemcelebrate-isa wasubmisa kunobhala ama-results ukuthi mina ngithole 132 ucomrade lo munye ofikayo kumkhonto kakaze abe yilunga nje lo mkhonto uthole 140 lo munye ucomrade sekhuphukile inamba seziku-48. Sibhlungu comrade into eyenzakalayo because lento babengayinaki ngayibona thina kwi-voter registration amalungu omkhonto wathi athi asawufuni nokubona umkhonto mabezosibethela lo muntu asemfuni kuma-voters bademonstrate kuma-voter registration kuma-video ngowama-election ngokwama-registration la bekhona bonke kuma-video kwakade ku-empty amalunga ekwatile engafuni ukwe-ejela ngeke asebenzele lo muntu because even abantu abanye abakunkatha abaku-ANC abangekho happy bayathi ukuthi thina sifuna ucomrade uTK abantu esabazi emkhontweni bawufaka abantu esasikaze sibona befaka umkhonto emajuba nakuma-region, but namhlanje nikwazi ukuthi bemshayiswa umuntu bekade ku-EFF ongakaze abe yimember. Uthini i-consciousness yomkhonto lo muntu lo abamfakayo ongakaze abe yilunga lo mkhonto emkhandlwini lo muntu engavela ntshela ukuthi amele angifakwa ngomkhonto abavotela ngomphakathi mina ayikho futhi manje ethenzoyithatha kumkhonto mayithatha ukudayisa bemnikeza imiliyoni eresign bazokwenza lokho abavele beresign because abenayo yokuthanda umkhonto abakaze bebesemkhontweni ayile kubuhlungu ngoba abantu abafakayo lapha nje abantu abadriver lo comrade Magubane honorable nguye ofaka ifunding esebenzisana no comrade Russell Zulu chairperson lapho and yonke lento ababe-driver bareporta straight ku-ANC ukuthi iplan labo liyenzeka wayi thina sihleli laphaya and leyo nto leyo ibuhlungu mina izolo ngicishe ngashiselwe endlini akade namhlanje noma ngizofika yini endlini ekhaya bebefikile bezongihlasela ngidayiswa ama-comrades ethu esiqale nawo emkhontweni masidayisela kubantu abangasibona komkhonto iward lethu ward 17 lithe ngelize kuvotela umkhonto because of this thing eyenzakalayo sengize ngithi mina wayi mabe nenkinga nami bengathathi omunye umuntu esasikade siqale naye emkhontweni bemthathe bemfake so lethi sizovotela umkhonto because numbers is not about me but it's about ukuthi kuwile umkhonto but ngalo muntu even mina myself I won't participate ngeke ngibe active kulama election not because ukuthi ngibhitha mina abafaka omunye umuntu bengikhiphe mina bengamfaki kodwa la muntu abamfakile because umkhonto uzodliwa kuwina ANC.
The truth remains that the ANC comrades have infiltrated the MK party, and there are two types of people who are there in the MK party. They are the people who have seen that no, we'll get tenders if you can join there, we'll get positions if you can join there. So their motives, their agenda are not pure. But there are people also who hate the MK party, but who've come to also join the MK party because the MK party disturbed their pot when they were eating there in Kwagogo from the ANC. I remember that comrades there, they were doing as they pleased. They were getting tenders by connection. They were hiring people, family members, friends there, and no one will say otherwise. But when they come now to Umkhonto Wesizwe, thinking that this will be another pot of milk and honey, they find that no, Jacob Zuma is just a one-man show. If you are not obeying him, you are out. And you come there hoping that because you held a bigger position in the ANC, thinking that you'll get the position here. No, it doesn't work like that. You are out. There are also MK party members, ground forces who are hungry for positions. They also want to be in them. So the MK party, it has this too much power that it is failing to contain because this political party just in 3 months attracted a lot of people, and in places like KZN it was so very clear that this party will be dominant. So wise people or corrupt people saw that now the ANC is losing power, will not be getting tenders, will not be getting employment, will not be getting these top positions. Let us just jump boats. Jacob Zuma lamented this, said that he's been told by reports that there are ANC members who want to come with their positions and lead in Umkhonto Wesizwe. Seems like there are a lot of members of the ANC or ex-members of the ANC who view Umkhonto Wesizwe as another ANC. So they want to just keep the same position and rule both the ANC and Umkhonto Wesizwe, in which now Jacob Zuma betrayed that oath by doing what? By not continuing with the people that he started with on the ground, but bringing in the likes of Zandile Gumede, Willis Mchunu, the people who were leading the ANC in KZN. And Jacob Zuma's mistake is this one. He says that he's bringing these ones so that they will sway the voters to vote the MK party. Little did he know that now he is killing the movement, because now these new ANC comrades, when they get there, they continue with the system that they were doing in the ANC. And those ones who were busy citing and exposing the ANC of corruption, they are saying that, but the same corruption is now existing in the MK party. We are getting threats, people want to kill us. Like this comrade says that he can't even sleep at his house because there are people who want to just take his life. So you want to kill each other for the positions. Let us jump to this letter, because this letter of the deputy president of the Youth League resigning raises some concerns. Let us start here. Dated 17 August 2026, the letter of resignation. Revolutionary greetings. I, Emily Mira, hereby submit my formal resignation from my position as the deputy president of the MK Youth League and also as a member of Umkhonto Wesizwe Party, effective immediately 17/08/2026. This was not an easy decision. I remain grateful for the opportunity to have served our people and to have worked alongside comrades in the structures. I've learned a lot and carried those lessons with me. I am committed to smooth handover of all responsibilities I currently hold. Thank you for the trust. That was Emily, the ex-MK Party member and the ex-MK Party leaders. A young lady has decided to say that no, the environment was no longer conducive for me. I am just dropping everything and I'm resigning. You know, it's a pity of what is happening in the MK Party. They have received too much power and too many people, but they are failing to contain the power and the people. And the funny thing is the MK Party wants to be the next government of KZN. If things are happening currently like this, how are they going to govern? Now, it's an honest and open discussion. How are they going to govern if chaos, before anything, before they get even to power, already they want to kill each other, they are pointing fingers, they are chasing each other, they are resigning from positions, and you know, it's a mess. Complaints left and right, everywhere. MK Party members are crying foul. They are not having it their own way. It is chaos, or it is either Jacob Zuma's way. What's your take on this? Please leave it on the comment section below, and you can subscribe to this political YouTube channel, and we will meet on the next video. Take care.